Pakistan has a new name in Manila. It's Kabab and Curry along Jupiter Street in Makati. While the name doesn't inspire ingenuity, it is straight to the point, and the aromatics from their al fresco charcoal grill and tandoor oven will reel you in and keep you grounded. This Pakistani-owned and run restaurant opened in 2015 is one of our best discoveries this year for their charcoal-grilled skewers, Haleem, and Karahi. On a historical note, Pakistan did not exist until 1947, when they declared independence following the end of the British Raj in India. Pakistani cuisine is considered a subset of Indian cuisine, as in most part the area known as Pakistan was part of India, and thus cuisine is regional and local, not national. The Pakistani culinary identity includes dishes like biriani, pullao, Haleem, nehari, kababs, and due to geography is also influenced by Western Asian countries like Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Iran. The main differences between Pakistani cuisine and Indian is that Pakistani cuisine relies heavily on red meat, while Indian food focuses more on vegetable dishes and utilizes more mustard seeds, curry leaves, and hing, which is the resin of giant fennel plants that grow wild in Afghanistan and Iran and have a strong aroma, a mix of sulfur and onions. From their extensive menu, we highly recommend the Chicken Malai Boti, Afghani Beef Kabab, Beef Seekh Kabab, Chicken Namkeen Boti, Prawn Karahi, Paneer Karahi, Prawn Curry, Chicken Haleem, Palak Paneer, Samosa and Garlic Naan. Look, okay, that's a charcoal grill.
Can I see?
There, see? Yummy chicken, Karuki. All barbecue dishes are served with yogurt sauce and mint sauce. The charcoal grilled dishes here are so good, so we're getting the beef bihari kebab this time. What do you think, Alexandra? How is it?
Spicy.
Spicy. But is it soft? Is it yummy?
It's so yummy.
I really like that prawn karahi. The flavors are bursting with all that fresh ginger and coriander and this tomato gravy. That's just spectacular. Wow. We're having another feast. Mutton pullao, eggplant and coconut milk, and prawn curry. And we're still waiting for one more charcoal grilled chicken dish. Haleem is one of their specialties, made with lentils, meat, and spices. This dish is slow cooked for 7 to 8 hours, which results in a paste-like consistency, blending all the flavors together, and it's best paired with their garlic naan. Wow, all the food we had so far was just delicious, and that samosa, it was so flaky. It's probably one of the best samosas I've ever had in my life. Our next round of dishes arrived, so we got the prawn biryani. We also got the prawn karahi, which is a traditional Pakistani dish with gravy, and the palak paneer. So, can't wait to get started on this. Palak Paneer is one of my favorite vegetarian Indian dishes, and they do an excellent job here because the palak, which is the cheese, is even grilled before it's even stewed. So it's truly amazing. What do you think, babe?
I'm completely enjoying it because it's also my favorite dish. I think most favorite Indian dish. I like there is some interesting aroma, very flavorful and a little bit different from what I tried, but I don't understand what kind of spices that or seasoning. I don't know. Really enjoy it. I already finished it, and I will add more.
How do you like it?
Good.
That's Indian dumpling, samosa. Crispy? Started. How do you like it?
It is good and the strawberry is good.
It has an interesting texture. It's very grainy.
Yeah.
Naughty Nachos is a budget-friendly comfort food neighborhood restaurant in Quezon City at the corner of Maginhawa Food Street and Magiting. It was opened in April 2016 by Marian Borja, Jean Kainday, Pia Santiago, and Lourdes Panganiban, and they focus on nachos, wings, ribs, and board games like Jenga, the ultimate game of physical skill. We dropped by for what we heard was the biggest serving of nachos in the